Hello everyone, it's great to have you all tuned in. Since the Dalgona coffee trend took over the internet, I have not come across one coffee lover who has not given it a try as yet. I personally don't drink coffee, so I gave this drink a try with tea and it turned out to be a total disaster. But I did not give up. I experimented with this a little more and I came up with a refreshing summer drink that I wanted to share with you guys. So to see how I make this pink colored Dalgona, jump on it and let's get rolling. To make this, you will need 2 cups of cream. I'm in India right now and I'm using the Amul brand's cream that is easily available here, but feel free to use whichever. This recipe serves just one person, so increase your measurements accordingly to serve more. Now to the cream goes 2.5 tablespoons of ROOH AFZA, which is the secret ingredient. If you don't know what this is, it's a concentrated rose syrup that can be used for milkshakes, lassis, faludas, puddings, and I always have a bottle stocked up. This is known as the summer drink of India and is meant to treat dehydration, stroke and diarrhea. Now, whisk this all together with the help of a hand blender or your muscle power for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, it should form stiff peaks just like you see. It's now time to add some ice cubes into a glass. To this goes some milk. Remember, the rose syrup already has sugar, so you actually don't need any extra at all. Top this off with the whipped rose blend, and this rose Dalgona is ready to be served. And I am serving mine with some dried and crushed rose petals. I hope you get to try this rose Dalgona, which is a modern twist to nostalgia served in a glass. Let me know how you liked it in the comment section down below. As always, it means a lot if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed, and
do not forget to stay safe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.